Impressive rotation signatures on radar. Storm motion is east at about 45 miles per hour. Listen, don't take chances with this one. Get to your safe place immediately. Do not wait. Listen for the roar. Heads up. New severe thunderstorm warning issued for DeKalb, Jackson. You now have 13 active threats. Severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall. Severe thunderstorm watch for Colbert, Coleman, DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall, Moore, Morgan. Tornado warning for Franklin, Jackson, Madison.